In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your trade history in Exness. Whether you want to review your profits, losses, deposits, withdrawals, or past trades, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover in the left side panel and then click the trading. There is a drop-down menu. I want you to click the history of orders. Now, all I have to do is choose the account that you wanted to check your trade history. So basically, I have one here. I'm going to choose this one. And you will notice that there are three tabs. You have the closed orders and open orders. Basically, this is going to be the history tab. It shows all the history. You can also sort the duration of the date. For example, if you want to select within a 3-month period, or if you want to select a custom period, you can do that. For example, let's say May 23rd, click on the apply button, and then you see that there is an option for you to download the CSV. This is kind of useful if you are tracking your performance regularly. Checking your trade history can help you improve your trading strategy, identify mistakes, monitor consistency, and take profits and losses more effectively. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can check your trade history in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.